Sri Lanka completed a 14-run win over UAE in the second match of the Asia Cup. Here are some key numbers from the game. This victory takes Sri Lanka's win-loss record to 8-1 in T20Is in Bangladesh. The only match that they lost was to England in the last World T20. Lassit Malinga played a crucial role in Sri Lanka's victory with 4 wickets in this match. This makes him the only bowler to have 12 4-wicket hauls in T20Is. On the other hand, this was the 5th closest defeat for an associate side against a full-member team while chasing. UAE player Swapnil Patil played a lonely hand in the chase. He scored his highest T20 score of 37. His previous highest score was 34. This was his 4th score of 30 or more. However, this was Sri Lanka's lowest total in the first innings against an associate team in T20Is. Their previous lowest was 144 for 9 against Ireland at Lord's in 2009. And they only reached that target thanks to a 68-run opening partnership between Dinesh Chandimal and Tilakaratne Dilshan. There was no partnership of more than 11 runs for the next 7 wickets though.